Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot and repair no power PC. This is pretty simple. You can do it yourself without spending a single penny. So let's get started. I have a system unit here from my friend with no power. But before we proceed, let's remove this one here. Let's connect the power cable for testing. And now, let's try to check if there is really no power. It's not booting up. Therefore the problem of the system unit is no power. Since the problem is power failure, we should see to it that there is power coming out from the outlet. To check that, we will use a multimeter to check the power source. We have an AVR here. Let's turn it on. And we will set the multimeter to voltage AC. Now, let's check the power output from the AVR. There we go. We have 212 volts AC. Next we need to check the continuity of the power cable. We will use multimeter again and we need to set it to resistance. If the display is 0.00, the cable line is okay. Let's check the first line. Okay. Then the second line. Okay. So, the power cable is good. Now let's proceed to the power supply. Let's open the case. Then, let's unplug the ATX power connector. To check if the power supply is working, let's use a piece of solid wire and connect the green and black wire together. Now, take a look at the fan. It's working. So, the power supply is good. The next step we have to do is to check the power button. Let's find the wire going to the power button. Here it is. Oops! The wire is not connected to the power button. I think we found the problem already. Let's try to check if it is really the root of the problem. Let's reconnect the cables first. Now, let's power it on. There we go. We got it. The pair of wire going to the power button is disconnected. That is the problem. It's running now. We need to shut it down to continue fixing the problem. Now, let's fix the problem. We need to connect the detached wire to the power button using a soldering iron. We need to clean first the pins of the power button so that the soldering lead will stick to it. Now, let's solder the two wires to each pins of the power button. It's done. But I saw dust build up in every components of the system unit, particularly in CPU fan and heat sink. So, we need to clean them to avoid another trouble like overheating. all done. Now we will power it on using the power button that we have fixed. There we have it. But it took me 3 minutes to completely boot up. And it runs so slow. So I need to optimize this PC to boost its performance. I will show you how to optimize this in my next video. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updated of my new videos. Thank you for watching.